Hey, this is Miss Rachel with the Otago Prattville Public Library, and today we're making our Pete the Cat and his school shoes craft. So we're going to get out of our craft kit, this guy right here, we're going to get our blue piece of paper with the spikes up top. This is Pete's head. We'll need 2 yellow ovals for Pete's eyes, the body, and our shoes. You'll also need a glue stick, scissors, and colors. So I'm going to begin by cutting out my shoes. If you want to color them first, you absolutely can. But I'm going to leave my shoes white. And we're going to cut all the way around. So that we can get them separated and ready to go for our craft. Be careful when you're using your scissors to watch out for your fingers. You can go as slow as you need to, and you can get as close to the lines as you want, or if you want, you can leave a little space around the lines like I am, just to make sure you don't cut any of your shoe off by accident. So we've got our shoes ready, and now we're going to take Pete's body, this big oval, and our glue stick, and we'll glue 2 little spots of glue on the bottom of Pete's body and stick our shoes on. Awesome. Now we need to attach Pete's eyes. We'll do the same thing, put a little bit of glue on the back of each eye. And then we'll glue his head to his body. And now that we've got our craft assembled, this is where the real fun begins for you guys. You can color and embellish. You can add facial expressions to Pete to show how he's feeling on his first day of school. You can add triangles for his ears. You can add whiskers. You can put buttons on Pete. For one of Pete the Cat's other stories, Pete and the 4 groovy buttons. And you can just get as creative as you want, adding colors and embellishments to our Pete the Cat craft. I hope you guys enjoyed today's activity, and we hope to see you again soon. Have a great day.